In this video, evidently, I'm taking the derivative of log. The derivative with log. So, we have a function. What's my function?
Okay, you're taking the derivative of x squared times tangent third x all over 1 minus, in parentheses, secant x squared. Close the parentheses, x squared.
Alright, now, we're taking the derivative of this function, and don't run away yet, because there's actually a really easy way to do this with log. Alright, log, of course, is, it makes division, subtraction, it makes multiplication, addition, and it's really easy to do. So, y equals this crazy little formula. Alright, first thing we want to do is take the log of both sides. Log y equals, now with the power, the power comes out front, you just have log x. It turns multiplication into addition, so you have 3 log 10x. It turns division into subtraction, so this is all subtracted by log of 1 minus secant x. And I'm going to keep the subtraction going because this x squared is still divided. We can pull the 2 out, so minus 2 log x. Alright, simple enough. Now we just have to get rid of these logs. The amazing thing about log is log of x equals 1 over x. That is a t. 1 over x. And the reason is it's 1 over x times x prime. X prime, if we're taking derivative in respect to x, x prime is 1. So we're left with 1 over x. Now, we're taking the derivative of 2 log x. That's just 2 times 1 over x. That's just 2 over x. Now, 3 log tangent of x. We have 3 times 1 over tangent of x times tangent of x prime. Now, tangent of x prime is secant squared x. So we have 3 times secant squared x. Oops. And minus log of 1 minus secant x. Now, since this is a subtraction here, we cannot separate it with log. This whole entire thing has to be logged together. So, we're taking the derivative of that, we put the whole thing under 1 minus secant x, and times the derivative of 1 minus secant x. The derivative of secant is secant x times tan x, and derivative of 1 is 0. So we have 0 minus that. So this is negative. Alright. So there's subtraction there. Alright, we're going to go over this side. We've got 2 log x. And we already done that actually. So we know it's 2 over x. Now, the whole function is 2 over x plus 3 secant squared x over tangent x minus negative secant x tan x over, this board is not long enough, 1 minus secant x minus 2x. 2 over x, sorry. Now, looks like you're done, but you're not. Since y equaled that, and we had to log y, we still have to take the derivative of that. We get y prime over y because we're taking the derivative in respect to x, so we have to have a y prime. Now, we had to get y prime by itself because that's what we're trying to find here. So we do that by by multiplying the whole entire thing by y. This will get rid of this y, and as we know, y equals this. That was our original function. So, we have 2 over x plus 3 secant squared x over tan x minus negative secant x tan x over 1 minus secant x minus 2x. We can change these to an addition symbol, and y prime equals that. And remember, we had to multiply the whole thing by y. So we get x squared tan cubed x over 1 minus secant x squared. And that is the problem. Now, as bad as that looks, you can plug, you only have one variable, so you can plug any number you want into that. It's really not as bad as it seems. It's just a lot of writing.